Welcome to Syncly, your all-in-one productivity solution designed to make organization effortless and effective. Syncly is more than just a template, it's your digital assistant for managing every aspect of your personal and professional life. Let me take you on a tour of its features.
Let's start with the Events section. Syncly allows you to create, categorize, and manage all your important events in one place. Whether it's meetings, deadlines, or personal commitments, everything is organized for quick access. Adding details to your events is straightforward with Syncly. Input the event title, contact details like email and phone number, and even include important links. This ensures that all essential information is readily available when you need it. One of the most powerful features in Syncly is the ability to link your events directly to specific projects and tasks. This means your events are always connected to the relevant work, keeping you organized and on track. To ensure you never miss an event, Syncly lets you set custom reminders. Review your event settings, set your notifications, and rest easy knowing that Syncly will keep you on schedule. Let's start by navigating to the Tasks section in Syncly. Here, you can easily organize all your tasks, whether they're for work, personal projects, or anything in between. When adding a task, begin by giving it a clear title and defining the start and end times. This helps you stay on schedule and ensures that deadlines are met. Syncly allows you to link each task directly to a specific project, keeping everything connected and organized. You can also associate relevant events, so your task timeline syncs perfectly with your schedule. Additionally, assign the necessary tools or resources to each task to streamline your workflow. Once completed, mark the task using the checkbox, providing a satisfying sense of accomplishment. To get started, navigate to the Resources section. This is where you can list and categorize all the tools and applications you regularly use, whether it's Zoom, Google Meet, or other platforms vital to your projects. When adding a new resource, specify its type, such as a website, software, or app. This categorization helps keep everything organized and easily accessible whenever you need it. You can also link these resources to relevant projects, ensuring everything related to a task is in one place. Plus, Syncly allows you to upload files directly, whether they're PDFs, Excel sheets, or other documents. With all your resources neatly organized and linked to the right projects, Syncly helps you maintain a streamlined workflow. No more scrambling to find what you need, everything is right where it should be. First up, let's explore the Notes section. With Syncly, your notes are neatly categorized into sections like work, personal, and more. This helps you stay organized and ensures that all your thoughts and ideas are easy to find. Syncly allows you to fully customize these categories. Add new sections, rename existing ones, and tailor your note organization to fit your workflow. Whether it's jotting down ideas for a project or personal reminders, Syncly adapts to your needs. One of the standout features is the ability to link notes directly to specific projects. This means that all relevant information is connected and easily accessible. No more digging through unrelated notes, everything you need is right where it belongs. Once you've customized your notes, Syncly makes it simple to review and adjust your setup. Fine-tune your categories, ensure everything is linked correctly, and you're all set. First, let's head to the Projects section. Syncly offers 4 different views to manage your projects: active, not started, completed, and canceled. This allows you to keep your projects organized based on their current status. Simply add the project start date, duration, and set its priority. You can also specify the project type, ensuring that every detail is tailored to your workflow. One of Syncly's powerful features is the ability to link your project to related tasks, resources, events, and notes. This integration ensures that all elements of your project are interconnected, providing a seamless workflow. Each project also allows for file attachments, so you can keep all relevant documents in one place. Whether it's a proposal, timeline, or project blueprint, everything you need is just a click away. Finance Tracker centralizes all your financial activities. Start by setting up your accounts, be it PayPal, Stripe, or any other wallet. Syncly helps you track every transaction in one place. Easily add transactions by inputting income or expenses, specifying the source, and describing their purpose. Whether for business or personal finances, Syncly keeps everything organized. Filter transactions by date, account, or category, and generate detailed reports. Syncly's visual tools give you insights into your financial health. Take advantage of Syncly's interactive charts to visualize income, expenses, and cash flow trends. These charts provide a clear picture of your financial performance, helping you make data-driven decisions.